stand right outside the objective.
Guys, you have to get me as close to the enemy as possible if this plan is gonna work, alright, my nigger? Alright. This is where we separate the men from the little tiny boys.
Hey, machine gunner over there. I have a message for you to relay to your team. No, wait.
God, it didn't go good.
Hey, yo, bro, I'm back. I have a message. Legitimately, I don't want to shoot you. Yo, I just want to talk. Can we just talk? Okay? Look, we want peace. This war is pointless, man. Yo, I said I just wanted to talk, okay? Okay? Look, I just want to talk. I'm serious. I just want to talk. You can hear me, right? Here, look, I'll open the door. I just want to talk, okay? Here. Mano to mano. Mano a mano. I will not shoot you. Here, I have my knife out. Okay, I'm right here. Hi. Okay. We just want peace, okay? This is something we want to lay to each other's teams. We just want peace. Holy shit, this is working.
Hey, pull your knife back. Pull your knife back.
Okay, look.
I don't trust him. He's a terrorist.
No, wait. We're not. No, listen to me.
I'm not gonna shoot him, but I'm gonna keep a gun on you.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, look. We just want peace. We don't want to be fighting this war. This war is pointless. We're just killing each other. We are all a part of the human race, and we shouldn't be killing each other. This is pointless. Why are we fighting? Why are we fighting?
Like a liberal. I don't trust you.
Why are we fighting, man? There's no point in us fighting.
Are you a libtard?
No, I'm not.
He's a good man.
Hi.
Hey,
wow.
Yeah. All right, you gotta get the whole team, all of us. Get on your knees.
Oh God, there's so many of them.
That's what I'm talking about.
God.
There you go. There you go.